Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, Warren County Family and Consumer Sciences Agent. And today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect homemade gift for someone special. Do you have someone in your life that you want to say thank you or I'm thinking of you? Well, making a homemade sugar scrub is a luxurious but very affordable gift that you can make with probably ingredients you have in your own pantry. So first I'm going to show you two recipes and then show you how you can get your jars gift ready. So our first recipe calls for us to mix our ingredients in the actual jar. I've started with an 8-ounce canning jar. And you don't have to use a funnel, but it definitely helps with the mess. So our first recipe tells us to fill our jar about 3/4 of the way full with sugar. And this is just regular granulated sugar. So you want to fill it about 3/4 of the way full, and I think that's good. And next it calls for a liquid dishwashing soap. I found this pretty pink color and it's a pomegranate flavor, or I'm sorry, scent, so I think that will be really nice. And the recipe calls for us to just fill it about full, and we're just going to mix this up. Now, as you mix your mixture up, if it's too wet, go on and add a little bit more sugar. If it's too thick, then you probably need to add a little bit more soap. And I actually think that this is perfect. Sugar scrubs are great for exfoliating the skin. They're very hydrating. They're great for removing dead skin cells. So if you've been working hard and using your hands, this would be a great thing to keep by the sink. So I'm going to just set this aside and we will start on our next recipe. This recipe calls for us to start off with a 1/2 cup of coconut oil. You can find that in the baking aisle, and it does call for us to heat it up in the microwave for about 20 seconds. So next I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of sugar to this. And again, you want this consistency to be to your liking. The sugar is going to be what makes it a scrub. So I'm just going to start mixing my sugar in with the coconut oil. And this is actually a mint sugar scrub. So I'm going to go on and add 1 drop of green food coloring. You don't want to add too much or it might get really green, which is fine. And then 1 tablespoon of mint extract. So you just want to go on and mix that up until you get it to the color that you like. I am going for a pale green color. I think it's great for summertime, and I actually think that this would be a great recipe for you to do with your kids and give to a teacher or a caregiver. So once you go on and get that nice pretty green color, it's going to look about like this, that pretty pale green color. And so what I did is I just took a strip of fabric and I took the flat seal portion of my canning jar and I went on and laid that down. And then you're just going to place the fabric over the flat side. Go on and twist that rim on, and I just grabbed some pretty ribbon, pretty burlap ribbon, whatever you like. I think that this would be a great activity to make with your kids, have them give them to a neighbor or a teacher. But if you would like this recipe, contact your local extension office. We'd be happy to give you the directions for this homemade DIY gift in a jar. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you have a great day.